Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And in the first line we have a name. So tap on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, you need to click Done to save this new name. And now you can go back or hide the settings, it's up to you. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!